About my experience in Georgia, it's a beautiful country with very friendly people. I like, because I am naturalist, I like nature. I prefer nature before cities. So when I am traveling in different countries, I usually spend as much time outside in the natures, and Georgia is just amazing country as to the nature, as to the people. I like it.
The last week there was a symposium in Tbilisi about it was the first Caucasian subterranean symposium on subterranean biology, and I had a lecture about the Georgian and Caucasian and cave centipedes in this region. So we know, for example, that just now some 70 species of centipedes are known from Georgia. 60 were published, 10 were not yet. Some of them are only in caves, some of them are also in caves, and caves are important hotspot for biodiversity. It's really not hot, it's cold, but there are some species which are well adapted to these conditions. Last year we described with Shalva Bariadze a new species of cave centipede from Datvi cave.
Dr. Bariadze organized a symposium on subterranean biology in Tbilisi, and it was very fine to meet a lot of people there from Georgia and from other countries like Croatia, Slovakia, then Czech Republic. And there were many interesting contributions, many interesting talks about yes, the short but important history of subterranean biology here in Georgia.
My first meeting with Shalva was surprisingly in Slovakia. I was there on scholarship and he also, so we were meeting each other on the corridor of Professor Lubo Kováč, which introduced us each other, and I had an idea and there was a possibility to go to Georgia for scholarship too. So I asked Shalva and he invited me, and I was here 1.5 years ago for 3 weeks, and I identified his or their material of centipedes, and it was very nice and very cooperative. We are in touch from the time, and it's a very fruitful cooperation.
I am not here for the first time. I was here for the first time more than 30 years ago when I was a student at the faculty in Slovakia, and I had the chance I was a member of a climbing club to get here and to climb to some mountains in central part of Caucasus, for example the Kazbek, and that was amazing experience, yes.